Thank you for joining AnnexIQ. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up your account and get familiar with the AnnexIQ dashboard. To begin, click Start Free Trial on the homepage. Enter your full name, work email address, and create a secure password, then click Create Account. Next, open the verification email sent to your inbox and click Verify My Email. Once verified, you will be redirected to the Getting Started page, where you can begin setting up your workspace. First, choose your primary objective. For this example, we will select Lead Generation. Next, enter your business information, including your company or brand name, the product or service you offer, your target market, and your core value proposition. Once completed, click Continue. You can now launch your first campaign. Upload your own leads via CSV or start with the sample leads provided by AnnexIQ. After making your selection, AnnexIQ will analyze your details and automatically take you to the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will get a complete overview of your outreach activity, email performance, conversion funnel, and insights all in one place. That's it. Your AnnexIQ workspace is now set up and ready to go. In the next video, I will show you how to set up AutoCloser.